Welcome to FluentC, your comprehensive solution for seamless design translation and integration. In the vast, interconnected world of today, we're here to make sure your designs resonate on a truly global scale. At FluentC, we understand the challenges you face as a designer, product owner and engineer. The struggle to translate your designs into multiple languages, the hassles of importing these translations into a CMS, and the need to do it all efficiently and accurately. That's why we've developed an AI-powered tool that translates your content into 75 languages, simplifies your workflow, and integrates seamlessly with the tools you use every day. Let's start with our design tool integration. FluentC directly integrates with industry-leading design tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch. That means you can translate your designs right within these platforms. There's no need for constant switching between applications. With just a few clicks, your designs are translated and ready to reach audiences around the globe. Next, let's move on to our CMS integration. Once your content is translated, it's automatically imported into FluentC Headless CMS, ensuring a seamless transition and efficient management of your multilingual content. If you want to use your own CMS, FluentC offers integrations with popular CMS platforms like Strapi and interfaces like i18 Next. We've also gone the extra mile by providing GraphQL support, enabling you to pull or push data between FluentC and your CMS, making your translation workflow even more dynamic and efficient. FluentC is not just a tool, it's your passport to global expansion, a way to bridge the language gap, and a solution designed to make your life as a designer, marketer, sales engineer, product owner or engineer easier. So, are you ready to take your designs to a global audience? We invite you to sign up and try FluentC today. Visit fluentc.io, get started, and explore how FluentC can increase your global reach and bring your product or services to many more potential customers.